In this video that we have to discuss about the resistance and resistivity, the two terms. What is that actually resistance? Resistance, which is the obstruction which opposes the flow of current through the conductor. First of all, potential difference is maintained across the two ends of the conductor. Electric field is set off. The electrons will be drifted opposite to that of the electric field, and electric current will also be produced through the conductor, and that electric current will be opposed by a certain property of the material, certain property of the conductor. That property is called the resistance. So that we can tell directly that resistance is the obstruction of which opposes the flow of current through it. Or from the Ohm's law, you know that is V equal to IR and R equal to V upon I. So that is the ratio of the potential difference maintained across the two ends of the conductor to the current produced in it. So that simply you can tell the resistance of a conductor is defined as the ratio of the PD applied across the two ends of the conductor to the current flowing through it. That is R equal to V upon I. And that is what is the unit of resistance? The unit of resistance is ohm. The unit of resistance is ohm. And from here you get it, the 1 ohm equal to V is volt, I is the ampere, that is 1 ohm is equal to 1 volt upon 1 ampere. The resistance of a conductor is said to be 1 ohm if 1 volt potential difference which produces the current by 1 ampere. That is 1 ohm equal to 1 volt by 1 ampere. This is all about resistance. And that resistance from the derivation part already you must be knowing the resistance depends upon the length, area of cross section and the material and for the temperature. So what I am telling you that for the different material resistance will be different. If the temperature will be varied, will be increase or decrease, that resistance also will be varied, and depends upon the length and depends upon the area of cross section. And from the relaxation time, from the relaxation time expression, and you know that resistance equal to R equal to ml upon NA square into relaxation time. So how it is depending on, because the R is directly proportional to the N length and R is inversely proportional to the area of cross section. If the material will be the particular material, for a particular material and for a particular temperature, the resistance of a conductor depends directly proportional to the length of the conductor, and the resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to the area of cross section of the conductor, thickness. And if we combine these two, we are finding R is equal to rho L upon A. Again another proportionality constant, rho comes. That is rho L upon A, and that rho is called the resistivity of the conductor, resistivity, or it is told as the specific resistance of the conductor. Specific resistance, or it is told as the resistivity of the material of the conductor. And what will be the unit? From here you can get directly unit is equal to ohm meter. The unit of resistivity is one ohm meter. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. And if L equal to 1 and A equal to 1, then resistance will be equal to the resistivity. So resistivity of material of a conductor is defined as the resistance per unit length per unit area of cross section of the conductor. So resistivity is nothing but the resistance per unit length and per unit area of cross section of the conductor. Resistivity of the conductor depends upon the material and temperature also. Resistivity depends upon the material and temperature. I am talking about the resistivity. It is depend upon the material and temperature. But resistance depends upon length, area of cross section, material and temperature. And resistivity depends only upon the material and temperature. For a particular material, it may be the lengthy or short, whatever may be, it may be thicker or thinner. And for that particular material, the resistivity will be the same or the fixed. Again, resistivity, you know that resistivity expression, what will be the resistivity expression? R equal to rho L upon A and rho equal to RA upon L. RA upon L, that is equal to, if you put for R, that is equal to ml by n a is square into relaxation time, the expression of the resistance. You put the expression of resistance, what you obtained from the previous expression, that is R equal to ml upon n a is square into relaxation time into a upon L. And this is equal to, if you cut it, the L is cancelled and a is cancelled, remaining is the m upon n is square into relaxation time. So resistivity, the expression of the resistivity in terms of the relaxation time is that rho equal to m upon n is square into relaxation time. So that is, it is clear for a particular material, if the material, for a particular material the number density will be fixed, and for a if the resistivity will be heated, if the conductor will be heated, the relaxation time will be reduced and the resistivity also will be increased, and the resistivity is inversely proportional to the number density, and that resistivity also inversely proportional to the relaxation time. And you are finding that expression for the resistivity is that rho equal to m upon n is square into relaxation time. This is all about your resistance and resistivity. Thank you.